Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the blade adapter on your Troy-Bilt lawnmower, you will need a 5/8" socket, 3/8" socket, a torque wrench, and a blade removal tool. Before you begin the procedure, make sure the engine has cooled. We also recommend there be little or no fuel in the tank. For safety, detach the ignition coil wire from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. Now tip the lawnmower back and use a weight to hold the handle assembly down. Use a wood block or the blade removal tool to secure the blade. Use the 5/8" socket to unthread the bolts securing the blade adapter and blade. Set the blade and mounting plate aside. Use the 3/8" socket to unthread the two mounting screws securing the engine housing. Set the housing aside. Detach the drive belt from the old blade adapter to fully remove it. To install the new blade adapter, align the component on the drive shaft and loop the drive belt onto the pulley. Realign the engine housing by inserting the tab into the belt slot in the deck as you position it over the new adapter. Rethread the mounting screws to secure. With the cutting edge facing downward, realign the blade on the adapter. Reposition the mounting plate and thread the bolt. Use the torque wrench to torque the bolt to manufacturer's specifications to fully secure the blade. Then remove the wood block or the blade removal tool. Remove the weight and return the lawnmower to its upright position. Reattach the ignition coil wire to the spark plug. Refill the fuel tank if necessary, and your lawnmower should be ready for use.